Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Sheet Metal Only Practical. Myself Sandeep Suryavanshi and I am having more than 20 years of working experience in automobile industry. I am very excited when it comes to learning and knowledge sharing. With this channel, I would like to build a community of engineering professionals like you and reach out to 100,000 people and see some positive changes happening in your professional career by sharing different concepts on sheet metal technology. I have started uploading videos on some basic topics and for which I have received very good response from you. Please continue the same with your likes, comments and subscribing the channel as it definitely motivates me. I would like to recommend you to see the videos in sequence in the basic playlist. So the earlier videos on history of sheet metal and applications of sheet metal will definitely help you to understand the next topics. So in today's session, we are going to discuss significance of sheet metal parts with its benefits and limitations as well. I would like to explain the topic using practical example for better understanding. So let's consider a part made from machined blocks and an alternate design made from thin sheet metal. Alternate design means having similar form, fit and function. Form means having similar size and shape. Fit means having same features for mounting and assembly, and function means having comparable load carrying capacity or strength. Let's look at few benefits of sheet metal. As you know, machine part is made from thick plates or blocks and a sheet metal part is made from thin sheet metal. Lot of unwanted volume is removed, therefore sheet metal part is lighter in weight. Machining part need lot of setup time and run time on machining center, whereas sheet metal part can be finished with few strokes of the press machine. Due to this, sheet metal part has higher rate of production. Due to lower weight and still having comparable strength, sheet metal parts has higher strength to weight ratio. Hence, they are preferred in lightweight applications. While machining, lot of material is removed in the form of chips, whereas in stamping very less scrap is generated. That's why sheet metal parts has higher yields. Since raw material cost is less due to lighter weight and labor cost is also less due to higher rate of production, sheet metal part is always a cheaper option. Sheet metal is ductile and has good material flow properties. Therefore, very complex 3D shapes can be formed. In case of any deviation in the form, the rework is much easier. Due to lighter weight, they are easy to handle. As you are aware, most of the sheet metal parts can be stacked one over the other. Hence, they take less space for storage and packaging. Due to this, the transportation cost is also less. Now, let's quickly have a look at some limitations as well. An individual sheet metal part cannot be manufactured with thickness variation. Also, sheet metal parts beyond 8 to 10 millimeters of the thickness or 3/8 of the inch are sometimes not feasible or economical. Dimensional accuracy achieved in case of sheet metal parts is lower than machined part. Hence, they are not suitable for precise applications and where accuracy requirements are higher. Sheet metal parts made with stamping process needs dedicated set of tooling and hence the tooling cost is very high. Manufacturing of dedicated tools also takes time ranging from few weeks to months. Also, due to higher setup times, they are not economical for lower volumes. Unlike machining, maintenance of sheet metal dies is critical and they need a skilled person to do the same. The sheet metal stamping part has an average of 3 dies which sometimes are bigger and heavier. Hence, they need more space to store. Overhead crane or power jack is required for movement of sheet metal dies, and an extreme care needs to be taken while doing so. So friends, this was about significance of sheet metals, its benefits and limitations. I'm sure that it will definitely help you whether you are working in design, development or manufacturing department. These points will help you in decision making in challenging situations. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.